surfboard bilang panangga sa posibleng shark attack.
Tulad ng Lunes, maagang tinapos sa impeachment court ang pagdinig kahapon. Bigo kasi ang prosekusyon na maiharap ang mga testigong ipinangako nila. Balikan po natin ang day 2 ng impeachment trial sa report ni Sherry Ann Torres.
Simula pa lang na ikalawang araw na impeachment trial kay Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Corona, dinesisyonan na ni Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile na ibasura ang motion ng prosekusyon para ipasabina o paharapin sa korte si Corona. Ang prosekusyon nagpaalam na maghahain ng motion for reconsideration, pero mabilis siyang tinapat ni Enrile.
You may, but I would like to advance to you that your request called for a compulsory process.
Binasura rin ni Enrile ang motion para ipasabina ang asawa ni Corona na si Cristina, mga anak na sina Francis, Charina at Carla Corona Castillo at manugang na si Constantino Castillo.
This court resolves to deny the request. Section 22, disqualification by reason of marriage. During their marriage, neither the husband nor the wife may testify for or against the other without the consent of the affected spouse, except in a civil case by one against the other or in a criminal case for a crime committed by one against the other. Section 25, parental and filial privilege. No person may be compelled to testify against his parents, other direct ascendants, children, or other direct descendants.
Pero kwinestyon ni impeachment Senator Alan Peter Cayetano.
Ang hinihingi pa lang po ng prosecution ay bigyan po sila ng karapatan na ipatawag ang mga witnesses. Hindi po tatanggalin sa mga witnesses na to ang karapatan nila na huwag mag-testify laban sa kanilang ama.
Sinuspende ang sesyon, pero ang dapat sana ay 1 minutong suspensyon, tumagal ng 26 na minuto. Nang bumalik ang mga senador, pinagbotohan na ang motion para ipasabina ang mga kaanak ni Corona. 14 ang pumabor sa desisyon ni Enrile, habang 6 ang gustong ipatawag ang pamilya ni Corona. Kaya tuluyan ding nabasura ang mosyong ipasabina ang maginanang punong maestrado. Magsisimula na sana ang presentasyon ng ebidensya at testigo ng prosekusyon. Pero ang prosekusyon, imbes na ang unang article of impeachment kaugnay sa pagkiling umano ni Corona sa Administrasyong Arroyo sa mga kasong kinasasangkutan nito ang talakayin, gustong unahin ang Article 2 o yung kaugnay sa di raw paghahain ni Corona ng Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth o SALN.
May we know why you're changing the sequence of your articles of impeachment? Is the prosecution ready to present evidence on Article 1?
Well, we are not ready, Your Honor.
You
But
are
may
not
I just
ready.
make a rejoinder, Your Honor. We are ready for Article 2.
Wait a minute. You are not ready to present evidence on for your Article 1?
We prepared for Article 2, Your Honor. I am manifesting that we are willing to postpone the hearing.
Yung pala ang gusto mo i-postponement.
We will know what is
Sabi ni impeachment Senator Joker Arroyo, noong tumayo siyang prosecutor sa Estrada impeachment trial, naranasan din nila ang pagkakarambol-rambol ng presentasyon ng articles of impeachment.
I have once been a prosecutor. And sometimes we have witnesses, sometimes we don't have. So we arrange it. May we request the prosecution to now or rearrange the presentation of the prosecution's evidence, and that would help everyone, so that we would know also on the part of the Senate, we will know what to study beforehand.
If we subscribe or allow the introduction of this kind of evidence, then this impeachment court will be at the mercy of the prosecution.
Pero pinatuloy pa rin ni Enrile ang pagtalakay sa Article 2. Ang problema, bukod sa puro computer-generated documents at hindi raw certified true copy ang mga dokumentong dala nila, kaugnay ng mga ari-arian umano ni Corona, wala rin silang dalang testigo na magpapatunay o mag-authenticate ng mga naturang dokumento.
I have practiced a long time ago. I'm not used to computer-generated documents. What I understand under the rules of evidence is that any document presented in a courtroom
Must be
authenticated.
During the time that I was also practicing, that was the procedure. But now, insofar as the LRA records are concerned, we have the computer-generated documents which are in the security paper of the Land Registration Authority with a barcode.
And I warn you that unless the chair is satisfied that these documents are authentic and unless you present the custodian of this document and testify on the presence of these documents in the computer, then the ruling of the chair might be adverse.
Para sa unang balita, Sharian Torres reporting.
Halos 300 Pilipinong nakaligtas sa pagtagilid ng cruise ship sa Italy. Inaasahang uuwi ng Pilipinas ngayong araw.
Ang latest shoot ng Hollywood film na The Bourne Legacy, aalamin. Well, Pauli, tutok lang sa unang balita.
Kaninong boses ang magbibigay tinig sa natatagong katotohanan?